Hello, everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. If I could talk, I'd be doing good. And it just says egg wreath form. All I'm going to do is by putting down my moss. So I'm just going to lay this moss out along the wreath form. So this is what it looks like once you put it on there. And then you're just going to take your little eggs, lay them out on your wreath form. Enough. So you need 12 eggs. And I think I've got mine spaced probably about ½ an inch apart, maybe. So I'm just going to start by I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on here and stick it to my moss. Okay, so y'all, I can't hold it straight up because my moss is not glued, but you see how I've got it. Then you're going to take your other wreath and look at it, because you will see that it's got a slight curve, downward, and that's the way you want it. You want it where it's kind of, like that. So then I'm just going to take, I have black cable ties, and I'm just going to put them through and cinch it as much as I can to pull it to get the wreath forms together. And you're going to have to do this on the outside and the inside. All right, so that's it so far. Isn't that cute, y'all? I just love that.